Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making banana cream pie. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 3 bananas, 2½ cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 pie crust. Using a fork, poke holes in the bottom and side of your pie crust, then transfer it to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Now slice your bananas and set them aside until later. Using medium-low heat, bring your pot to temperature. Add your milk and egg yolks, then whisk until well combined. Now add the sugar and whisk until it dissolves. Now add the flour, cornstarch, and salt, and continue to whisk until well incorporated. Now add the butter and vanilla and continue to cook for 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Continue whisking until your pudding has reached your desired consistency. Now add your bananas to your pie crust. Pour in the pudding, then transfer the pie to the refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, your pie is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To craft how to make great food with steps made for you.